So now we just got a new iRobot Scuba 450 and we want to charge it for the first time. You can see on the right side that there is a battery and a charger and the iRobot Scuba, and also right here the EU adapter for the charger. And we're gonna just use something high so that the robot wouldn't get damaged, and we're gonna put it over the carton, just something to grab it. And here we see two buttons which has like laptop and unlock side and lock side. We're gonna just switch it to the left and this one to the right. You can see it unplugged, and then we can somehow pull the battery protector outside. I'm gonna take the battery from my robot, just remove the bag. This side should face upwards. You can see the slot here, fits the battery here, and we just put the battery inside, press it firmly. You can see that the robot turned on, and now we're gonna just put the cover in. First this side. You can see that the battery is entirely in. We're gonna press, and we can't lock because of the small things here. We're gonna just take the battery out and put them to the side of the battery, and then press it in, and now we should be able to close the battery compartment. We need to switch the buttons to the unlock side and then lock, holding firmly. That's it. You can see here the wheels and the main brushes, the squeegee. This is the button to release all the brushes, and we just turn it upside down, and we can see that the battery is not charged. This lights continuously, and the battery signal is turned on. Now we're going to take the charger. Now, for all countries, just take the plug and place it inside the charger this way. You can see that it's plugged in. And if you are in EU countries, you're gonna take the network or the grid side of the plug and place the adapter inside. See that the adapter has a bigger side and a small side, and also the plug has smaller side and a bigger side. Just put it as it should be, and on On this side we have the plug inlet. Just release the cover. Here is the plug. I'm gonna just place the plug of the wall charger inside the robot. Here. And then connect it to the grid, to the power line at the wall. And now it gets charged, and after the charging has ended we can use the robot. You can see here the charger, lights green, and the robot also lights green, and it's being charged right now.